Seryoso kayong message si Van eh.
Bads na Sol. Si Nads, Junior Lumulo, ating national treasurer. Kunting message Nads para sa mga kasama natin dun sa Mindanao, lalo na yung mga nag-work talaga sa chapter level natin. Kahit yung mga ano natin, mga tao sa provincial level.
Well, to those who are active, I could say that English, no? I salute you all, no, for a job well done. Paano ba yung Maranaw yun? For a job well done, and of course, you have done a lot of things for, of course, for our improvement. May dumadaan.
Sige na.
And we thank you for that. And of course, we also have our responsibilities here in as your national officers, and expect that we will support you all the way in your activities. Yun lang muna.
Yeah, Excelsior Nads. Thank you.